Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to create Fiverr group, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a group on Fiverr, first open up your Fiverr app, and after opening your Fiverr app guys, you can create a group many ways on Fiverr. For example, you can open directly a chat box of the person with whom you want to create a group, and after opening the chat box of that person, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the create group with that person, which is the second one, and you can go with the further process to create a group. Or let's go back, or you can just tap on the messaging button available for us over here at the bottom right corner of the screen on the purple, just above the more button over here. Tap on that messaging app and you will be over here where you can see there it says new group or community. Tap on that and choose the person over here whom you want to include on your group. And after selecting the person whom you want to include on your group, tap on the purple arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see you'll be required to name your group over here. So let's type in demo group and tap on the tick mark to save it at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be over here where you have successfully created a group and you're an admin. And with that being said guys, this is how to create a group on Fiverr. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.